wa muingi ni Felix Koskei ni agithingatite maabitha a borithi gwikorwo makigiririka na makiria hari utungata wa kuri muingi. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano na maabitha aya, Koskei ni akiugite ati matiraregeria moko na makiria hari gutigirira ni matheria ruhonge ruru kuumana na ciiko na gwikuirwo kana gukorwo maikuruhanio na njira nene na ciiko cia ungumania. Akiuga ati ona thengia muritu maria maikoretwo makigomerwo na kana makigomerwo nimo ta ruhonge rwa maabitha a borithi no kinyanagia makinyanirie ikinya riri.
On behalf of the National Police Service Commission,
despite all the challenges that we have agreed that we are not 100% in terms of salary, we are not 100% because of in the area of equipment, in the area of welfare, issues of housing, issues of whatever. We are not 100%. This corruption, if we fight it, you will see economic growth coming up. You will see investors coming in. You will see employment being generated. And things will change. So it has to take us to stop so that we can pick. We want you, all public officers across the country, all police officers, from the top to the bottom, to be people of integrity and to be people that we can use to support the president in this war against corruption. We don't want anybody to be left out, all of us, from a police post to vigilance house. Unlike other institutions, and it has come up clearly, you are unique because not only you are a disciplined force, you have powers to enforce. Due to your functions under the National Police Service Act in several Cap 84, Section 49 to 65, the Director of Public Prosecutions and the judiciary depend on the quality of your investigations. As you are aware, when there is compromise at the investigation stage, the entire system is compromised. Cases of the innocent in jail and criminals in the streets are not uncommon. Why? Why do we have innocent people in jail and criminals are roaming freely in the streets with protection?